everyone! For today video, mag-unboxing tayo ng aking new sound card, which is, I buy this today, which is, the model is F998 sound card. It's very different from my old sound card, which is the old B8 from the time na na-monetize ako. And now, gusto kong samahan nyo ako na mag-unboxing for this new sound card. Okay, let's begin! And this is it, the box of our new condenser microphone with the model of F998 sound card. And this is in the inside. If you can see, we have a manual. And this is for the dynamic microphone holder. And we have a condenser. The purpose of this condenser is to release and avoid some noisy when you're doing singing. And we have a 3 cable, which is, for all I know, is using this two for doing for live 1 and live 2, and this one is for sound card charger, this one. And this is the dynamic microphone, if you can see. And we have a cover for this to lessen also sound for some noisy when you are singing. And we have also for the dynamic microphone the extension. See. And this is the holder from condenser. I hope very familiar na kayo guys for this, because all of us are live streamer, especially for those always doing live stream. This is the condenser holder. And this is also the lock. The purpose of this, if you put the condenser for setting, it's either table or some, it depends on you. If you have a table in your studio, it's better to fix it. And last, this is another manual for the sound card. And this is the most important, guys. Ito yung pinalit ko dun sa old B8 ko. We called it, this model is F998 sound card. Kung mapapansin nyo siya, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. It's almost same with B8. We have 9 connector. The only things na nagbago sa kanya, its difference is from the keypad. Mapapansin nyo, they have also a microphone and for the monitor. And this is for the power on. Just try. Or just wait. And as of now, not yet totally charging siya. And as per the center that we buy this, maximum of 3 to 5 hours for charging. And for let you know, for this sound card, never use this sound card when you're doing live streaming that not fully totally charging. Never use when you're doing live stream that they haven't charging. You need to use this when you're doing live stream totally full charge to avoid quickly noisy, defect of sound. And this is some of the this is some of the effects, but you cannot hear because they need to set on the mobile that you use for live streaming. And this is it for our unboxing. And for my next video, just wait for the how to set up on our mobile phone during your live streaming. And thank you for watching of this unboxing of my sound card. See you guys and stand by for my next video.